crying at, you mug? Why don't you watch where you're going? Huh? Get up, you idiot! Get up! You prats! Use your eyes! Look at your eyes, you...
You alright, mate?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah. Listen, mate, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have shouted at you.
You knocked me over too, but it's okay.
Sorry, I shouldn't have done that. I apologise. Are you alright to walk?
Yeah.
Listen, what's your name, mate?
Eddie.
Listen, you have a good day, Eddie.
A few years ago, I had this horrific car accident. The doctors told me that I'd suffered brain trauma, and ever since my hearing has been affected. Whenever I hear noises, whether it's loud traffic or a dog barking, I get a physical reaction. My heart starts beating faster, and I get other strange symptoms too. I wear headphones to protect me from the noise.